Okay, let me talk about someone who came to me yesterday. So I had someone come to me yesterday, this guy who has his sister living with him, and he filed his tax returns through TurboTax and just filed it single. He made $7,800 mowing lawns, and the company he worked for gave him a W-2, and he filed it. He got a $712 refund. And when I was talking to him on the phone, I asked him, because how do you live on $7,000, right? So I asked him, there's got to be something else he's doing on the side. And he says, well, yeah, I do other lawn care work on the side, and people just pay me cash. And I made X amount of dollars. And so then I went through this whole list of expenses that you would have, because, like cell phone, for instance, because people just don't think, hey, I need my yard edged, or I need my flower beds dug up. They call you, right? So you have all kinds of expenses directly associated with your side hustle or side business. So as a result of that, he qualified. And he told me about his sister who lives with him, who's disabled and blind, and he didn't claim her because he didn't know he could. So he goes through TurboTax and they don't ask him anything. So then it turns out that he had a child who stays with his mother, and his mother claims her, but he has a niece that stays with him and with his blind sister, and he cares for her. So, and no one claimed her, and he's cooking and cleaning and taking her to school. If there's a problem, the school calls him up. Anyway, this is his dependent. So we put her on the tax return, his niece as well, and he didn't know he could claim her. So after he claimed her, now remember, he got a $712 refund, which is his earned income credit, and the $212 or something he paid in on his federal tax. That's what he got back. After I got done with him and we put the dependents on there, he wound up getting $8,600 back on top of the $712 that he got in the previous refund.